Hey, good morning guys. It's currently like 6:51 right now, and we're gonna be heading out to Jdm Beach Day, and we're going from Orlando all the way to Daytona. So right now we're gonna go ahead and stop by the gas station, pump some gas, and head over to the pre-meet. So I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, so we pulled up to the meetup spot and we're waiting until everybody comes over here, and we're probably gonna leave like around 9:30, I think 9:30. But I've never really told you guys anything about my car or what am I driving, so I'm gonna show you right now. So what I really got is a 2008 Civic, not just a regular Civic, an SI. So then, plan for future mods. What I have just an intake, and then pretty much everything's just stock. I mean, I added a Mugen wing, of course, it's fake. I'm planning on in the future to maybe add a turbo to it, but pretty much off the bat everything is pretty much stock. So yeah. So I got everybody's pulling up now, so I'm gonna start showing you what we got around here and see what you guys think about it.
I got you.
So after a couple hours, not just kidding, like an hour we were driving, and now we just made it to the second location. So let me give you a little view of what we got over here.
I'm trying to shoot a movie clip, alright?
And if you don't have a nice car?
You don't got a nice car? You couldn't get a police car? You couldn't get a patrol? Come on. Everybody got a nice car. So we're going to Woodside. Alright, guys. No wilding out. Drive safe. Speed limit. I think the speed limit is like 25 or something like that. Yes, sir. No speeding, no wilding out, no cutting off. Single file line, alright? Y'all gotta pay before you too, just saying. Alright? Y'all gotta finish your card? What's going on?
Alright, so we got kicked out of the area. So now we're going to straight to beach beach now. But we gotta follow in a single file line. Alright guys, we finally made it. We're here at the beach. Now let's go have some fun. Hey guys, so we just finished just chilling. We went to go check out all the cars that were here and all that, but we're getting hungry, so we're gonna check out a restaurant that my cousin recommended me over here in downtown. Apparently they have one of the best wings, so I'm gonna have to go. We're gonna go ahead and try to find that out to see if that's really true. But yeah, let's see if it's good. Okay, I see you. I see what you got there, buddy. All right.
Basic bacon.
Okay.
Basic bacon.
And over here, Swiss. Whoa, look what we have in there. Dessert looking good. We're gonna kill this right now. Go ahead. So we just got out. We're all full, and now we're gonna give a review on how we felt about our plate and what we ate. Me, out of 1 out of 10, I give mine like 10. My hamburger was really good, fries were good, and dessert was really good. How about you, Bebo?
Great food. Dessert was great. Food was good. Server did a great job at it. And definitely come back. Yeah.
From 1 to 10, what do we give? From 1 to 10, what do we give it?
I'm giving it 50. What are you talking about? 50? Yeah. I was hungry. Yeah.
Okay.
How about you, man? 1 to 10.
1 through 10, I'd probably say like a 6 or 7 probably.
Why
like
is
a
that?
6 or 7. I mean, the fries were good. The waiter was good, but the burger, I don't know, it just didn't do it for me, you know? It just didn't do it for me all the way. So it was alright, but it wasn't the best.
Okay.
That's good.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna leave it at here. I appreciate you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys had a great day, and take care guys.